Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caribbean sea moss drink full guide. Soak clean sea moss in filtered water for 8 to 12 hours, replacing water if cloudy, then drain and rinse again. Keep pieces translucent and springy before blending. Prepare fresh citrus, sweetener, and optional spices while the moss rehydrates. This step ensures the best texture and flavor before moving to blending and chilling for serving. Gather 1 cup soaked sea moss, 2 cups filtered water, fresh lime or orange juice, preferred sweetener, and optional ginger or cinnamon. Chop citrus and grate ginger to release oils before blending. Keep sweeteners measured so you can adjust after tasting. Chill ingredients if you want a colder drink quickly. Preparing everything ahead speeds blending and helps you balance tang, sweetness, and spice for a Caribbean profile that feels fresh and vibrant. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content, and share any tips in the comments. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It pairs great with kitchen playlists while you prep sea moss drinks and help set a Caribbean mood. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place soaked sea moss and filtered water in a high-speed blender and run until silky smooth, about 60 to 90 seconds depending on your machine. Add citrus, sweetener, and spices, then pulse to combine and taste for balance. Chill the drink for at least 30 minutes or serve immediately over ice with a splash of coconut water for a tropical lift. Store leftovers refrigerated for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.